Okay, I am super excited about what I have today. I have this 4.2 inch ESP Plus kit, and it is basically an ESP8266 with a built-in e-paper screen. And from what I understand, you can charge it and it'll run for 3 months without having to recharge it. And that's all thanks to this awesome e-paper screen and a big old built-in battery. And so I'm really excited about this. So let's open it up. My other knife is in use as I'm working on a cool project for my bathroom. So I'm going to open this thing up. If you don't know anything about this company, they were really big on Tindy, and they had a 2.9, I believe it was, version of this kit, and it sold like gangbusters. So they came out with the 4.2, and I've been super excited about the 4.2. So open here. I'm guessing that means like maybe I should follow directions. I don't know. Let's see. Try it again. There we go. Okay. So what I like about this project is that this thing is already in a nice little acrylic case. It has a bezel on it, has some buttons here, and let's peel this off. Oh, that is so satisfying. Okay, so it has the e-paper display obviously already set up. For those of you guys who don't know how e-paper displays work, they basically only use power when they're changing. So you can flash something up on the screen and then it doesn't require any more power to maintain that state, or basically no more power. And so it has looks like a micro USB on the side, an on and off switch, and you can see it's off. But there's still something on the screen, and then access to a few of the GPIO pins, more serial pins than anything else. So very cool. Let's take a look at what we have here. Okay, USB cable, flat USB cable, nice quality touch. And let's see what this is. This is a CP2102, so that looks like a battery maybe? Oh no, it's a serial programmer. So sweet, okay. All right, well, so we'll figure out exactly what we're going to do with that. But a lot of you guys may have seen the video that Brian Lowe, Brian Locke, also known as B-Low or Brian from the Block, did, where YouTube is changing the way that they're running their algorithm, and it's breaking all of those subscription counters. And so basically what I want to do, I'm not going to use their APIs, but I built an API builder for UserSpice, and so I'm going to use this for things like as gifts to my clients, where they can see how many sales they have in a day, or maybe it'll ping an API once every minute or once every 5 minutes that'll give them how many sales they have, and they can have like a little live counter on their screen. So I'm going to be using this in some really cool projects. I'm excited to play with it. I'm not going to take this thing apart. I'm going to try to play with it as is, then we might take it apart later. But very cool Thingpulse e-paper display, and so we're going to check it out.